There are a lot of myths and misconceptions about what it's like to actually have a job in cloud computing. Some flattering, some quite hilarious, and some that make me question what people think we actually do all day. Well, hello there, welcome or welcome back to The Architectress. I'm Natalia, your professional cloud therapist, and today we are not talking about cloud technology, we're talking about cloud people. You know, us, the mysterious humans who work in cloud. So, myth number one. Let's start with the classic. Oh, you work in cloud, you must be so rich. Well, some roles in cloud do pay really well, especially senior or highly specialized ones. But not every cloud professional is sitting on a yacht somewhere debugging Lambda functions. The truth is that you can earn really well in cloud, but it really depends on your role, your experience, and your skills, and to be fair, your company as well, the company that you work for. Some people in marketing or product roles in tech make much more than engineers, especially junior engineers or, junior developers. Some startups can pay really well, but others might be paying in equity and good vibes. So, no, we're not all sipping cocktails on a beach with fiber internet. Although, if you are, congratulations, you've unlocked the final level of remote work. And I'm kinda jealous. Myth number two, getting into cloud means that you're set for life. I wish. Cloud jobs really evolve faster than you can refresh your LinkedIn feed. Yes, it's a great career. There are tons of growth opportunities, great salaries, generally opportunities everywhere. But set for life, not quite. If you stop learning for even a year, the cloud just moves on without you. There's constantly new tools, new frameworks, new buzzwords, it just never ends. But really, that's part of the fun, and also why coffee is really a food group in this industry. You can say cloud is kind of stable, yeah, it's not going away anywhere, but your knowledge is what really keeps you relevant. So make sure to keep up with the skills. Myth number three, you have to be a hardcore coder or math genius to work in cloud computing. Nope, false. If you can solve problems, think logically, and explain things clearly, you can work in cloud. Coding certainly helps, of course, but it's not what defines success in cloud roles. You've got architects, FinOps specialists, technical trainers or writers, operations people, project managers, account managers, and many of them barely touch any code. What matters more is your ability to think critically, connect the dots, connect technology and business together, and not panic when the deployment breaks 5 minutes before the meeting or before the demo. Myth number four, cloud is full of socially awkward tech geeks. Some of us are, but cloud is actually one of the most diverse and collaborative areas that is in tech today. It takes really all types of people, from deeply technical builders to customer whisperers, visual thinkers, and data storytellers. Half of the job is talking to people, understanding business goals, requirements, team dynamics, or user experience. Yes, there are introverts who live for YAML files, and extroverts who could give a TED talk on EC2 pricing, but it's quite a glorious mix. Myth number five, cloud people just sit at home coding all day. Technically, some of us do. But working in cloud often involves way more communication than code. We build diagrams, we write documentation, create proof of concepts and demos, and we chase people for IAM permissions sometimes as well. So it's not really a solo sport, it's a constant collaboration game. You'll talk to product teams, security teams, finance teams, business people, management. We're in meetings quite a lot. We do things like design reviews, customer calls, quick sync-ups, catch-ups and follow-ups. Sometimes they last exactly 1 hour and 23 minutes. So yeah, there's quite a lot of communication. It's not just about technical skills, it's the soft skills as well. Myth number six, everyone in cloud is working on cutting-edge tech all the time. Nope. A lot of us spend our days fixing sometimes boring but very important stuff. Things like optimizing the usage and workloads, writing automation scripts, migrating old systems, patching things that should have been patched in like 2016, Cloud work can be very cool, but it's not always glamorous. Sometimes your biggest win of the week is finding an untagged resource, figuring out something about cloud costs, figuring out some anomalies, responding to incidents, and that's okay because those wins are the ones that actually keep everything running. Myth number 7, you need to know everything. This one is very dangerous and actually quite common. No one knows everything about the cloud. It's just too massive. It's too big. Even after all these years that I've been working in tech, 9 of them in cloud at the moment, I still Google things every day. You're not supposed to know it all. You're supposed to know how to find the information or whom to ask for help sometimes. The real skill is learning fast and thinking clearly under pressure. That's what makes you great at this job, not memorizing every service name. Myth number 8, cloud is just for big tech companies. You'd be surprised how often I hear this one. People think the cloud is only for the global enterprises of the world. The reality is that small and mid-sized businesses actually live in the cloud. Startups launch their entire products on cloud platforms before they even have an office. Local cafes run their online ordering systems on the cloud. Even that small charity that sends you emails at 2 a.m., most likely they're on the cloud too. Cloud isn't just for the big tech giants, it's really for everyone who needs flexibility, scalability, and let's be honest, doesn't want to maintain a server in a broom closet anymore. Myth number 9, certifications, guaranteed job. The eternal promise of the internet. Get this certification and you'll instantly land a 6-figure cloud job. I wish it was that simple. Well, certifications are great. They show commitment, they teach you structured knowledge, and they definitely help open doors. But what really matters is being able to apply that knowledge in the real world. Think of it like a driver's license. It means that you kind of know the rules, but you still need to actually drive without hitting the traffic cones or people. The real secret is that you need to combine the certifications with hands-on practice. So just go and build something and break something and fix it and break it again, fix it again. That's what employers want. They want curiosity and experience, not just badges. So yes, get the certifications, but don't stop just there. And myth number 10, I'd say quite a big one, that working in cloud means 100% remote work. Well, yeah, the dream, the laptop, hammock, and beach. I work in cloud, I am the cloud. Well, yeah, sure, remote work is quite common in cloud roles, but it's not universal. Some companies still prefer hybrid setups, especially for collaboration-heavy roles like architecture, product, development, or leadership. And even in remote roles, you will still be spending a lot of time on calls, whiteboarding sessions, and team syncs. Plus, there's the reality that no one mentions. Remote work doesn't mean fewer meetings. It just means that you will be on video calls in sweatpants instead of an office chair. So yes, the flexibility is amazing, but don't expect to fully escape people. Even in the cloud, there's no such thing as true isolation. You'll have to communicate, you'll have to work with people. So yeah, cloud careers are awesome, but they're not magical, they're not static, and they're definitely not just for the tech geniuses. It's really a field built by curious, adaptable humans, and yes, fueled by caffeine and memes. So you will learn, you will fail, fix and repeat, and honestly that's the fun part. So if you're thinking about getting into cloud, just go for it. But remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.